Hi everyone, I am Vashish from vashishkapoor.com, and today in this video we're going to talk about Surfer SEO Content Planner. We have already published a video on Surfer SEO Content Editor, so you can check it out on my channel. I will add the link to this video also in the description below. So without any further delay, let's dig into what we have in the Content Planner for Surfer SEO. So the content planner actually does all that you need to build content clusters to rank a one very hard keyword by using so many topics around it and pushing your main topic with all those content topics. I have opened content planner in my Surface SEO dashboard. Here's how you land into it. And then what you can start with is you will just need to put the smallest keyword that you want to rank for. For example, if I want to rank for let's say pet socks, right? If I want to rank for pet socks is a very small, I would say small in terms of letters, but very huge keyword in terms of volume and everything. So to rank for pet socks, you may need to write a lot of content or may have a lot of pages around that topic and around some long tail keywords for this one also. So just type pet socks here and click on create content planner, and it will add one content planner window for you here like this. So once you click it, you will be able to see that you can build 62 clusters of the main topic. So to rank for pet socks, you can build a huge content repository and rank for this particular keyword. So every cluster has a specific intent. So it can be the shopping intent, and also it can be informational intent. It can be a, let's say, educational intent to educate the people and educate the audience. So you can filter out all these things from here. Like you can change the intent. You want informational topics, you want shopping topics, and maybe if you want investigation type of topics. So here what it tells you that you have a lot of clusters that you can work on. For example, let's think about this one that says personalized cat socks. So cat is a pet and socks is also something that we want to rank for, and it just adds personalized to it, and you have a cluster that has search volume of almost 4,000 searches in a month. And once you click on this thing, you would see what all the keywords it includes. Like it includes personalized cat socks, custom cat socks, cat face socks. So all these keywords, you can build one article, you can write one article for each keyword, and then from all these keywords you will be linking back to your main page that you are targeting for pet socks. So maybe you have an e-commerce site, you need to rank for pet socks, you have a homepage for that, but to rank for it you need to have all these pages that target specific these keywords, and then all of these keywords link to your homepage. So that's where the content clusters work, and that's how you will be able to rank for it. So to be able to rank for it, you might need to do more content optimization as well. And when you need to do content optimization, you will need content editor. So you can directly click on this create content editor. You will be landed into the content editor where you can write content and optimize it for this keyword. So I've clicked it already. It is preparing the content editor. When once it is ready, I would be able to edit my content. So guys, as you can see, I created the content editor from here. When I clicked it, then I click this link, and when you'll click on this open content editor, it opens the content editor like this, where you can add your content and optimize it for the best optimization for this particular keyword and a lot of keywords in the same cluster. So you need to add more content and have a better score, and once you have it, you can post it as a blog post or maybe include it in a product's description. And how you will rank for PetSoft, it would be by going through each of the cluster, clicking each of them, researching about what is the intent, how profitable can be the keyword, and then directly going ahead with the create content editor and writing content in that. So that is the best use case for ranking hard keywords with content planner by Surfer SEO. Just in case if you want to do more specific content keyword research, then keyword research tool is there. But content planner is when you don't have any idea about what you want to write about to rank for a very small keyword. For example, this was pet socks. Pet socks keyword was very specific, and to create a lot of content ideas around it, you need a very good tool like Surfer SEO. So Surfer SEO has done the job very well. As you can see, it doesn't give me a suggestion on only cat socks. It also gave me suggestion on Christmas photo socks, custom pup socks, photo socks, dog on mug, personalized socks for dad, and all these topic suggestions, which are really, really good ideas to build an authority blog that talks mainly about socks and and particularly about pet socks. So once you have enough authority in the particular niche, which would be socks, then it would be much easier to rank for this pet socks keywords. However, if you think like writing one article on your blog um, about pet socks can be something that you can rank for the pet socks keyword, that it could be can be very hard for you. But when you have the content planner by Surfer SEO, it works really smooth, and all you need to do is to maybe hire a content writer and write content for all these keywords, or maybe use a tool like Conversion.ai that can help you write content on all these topics. In the next video, or the upcoming video, I'll be also talking about Conversion.ai that you can use to build a lot of content that would be AI generated content. And also we talk about how you can integrate it with Surfer SEO and implement your SEO strategy better. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy content editing and happy content planning. Uh, do your research. Let me know what you think about the tool, and I'll love to answer your queries in the comments below. So till then, bye bye.